Good afternoon. This is Al Espinor with Century 21 Select Real Estate of Stockton, bringing you a market update. It is August 26th. Can you believe we're just about a week away from Labor Day weekend, which pretty much wraps up the last holiday weekend for summer, heading into fall, heading into the end of the third quarter. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to share with everybody what is going on in Stockton. Let's take a look. I'm going to share this with everyone, courtesy of Old Republic Title and Altos Research. So this is the market report update for Stockton, California, as of today, August 26. So pretty much the median price of a home is $499,995 in Stockton. The median price of new listings right now are about $478,000. Dollar per square foot is about $291. Average days on the market have gone up 63 days. The median days on the market, 35. And we're seeing homes listings that have decreased in price about 43%. Price increase 3%. Relisted homes that were previously on the market 9%. And the inventory is at 437 new homes on the market right now. Average median rent in Stockton is $2,448. And right now, as you can see, if you look at this little meter, it is swinging just a little bit towards buyers, but it's still seller's market because, again, we have limited inventory. What's interesting to note here is obviously we're already heading into fall. So traditionally, this is a time where, families have already gotten their kids into school and there's not a lot of movement, even though that kind of does go up and down. The other thing, too, that we just talked about a week ago are all these new changes with the buyer's representation agreement and the new method of practice as a result of the recent settlement agreement between NAR and sellers across the United States. So that's another factor. I believe a lot of brokers and agents are still trying to get their footing. The public buyers are still, wanting to ask a lot of questions and know before they jump in. Totally understandable. And again, that's why I said before in previous videos, if you have any questions or concerns, you want to make sense of it, reach out to me, Al Espinor. But again, take a look at this. So we can see this is from February 2020 during the pandemic and how prices in Stockton of single-family homes have gone up and then plateaued and come down. So again, what's also interesting too is that if you factor in interest rates are starting to make a difference and coming down slightly, still nowhere close to what they were during the pandemic, the 2s and 3s and 4%. But let's just kind of take a quick look at what interest rates are right now. This is from the Freddie Mac website. So 30-year fixed mortgage rates, 6.46%. Now, if you recall, just about we're already 2 years into these higher rates. At one point, we were in the sevens, mid sevens. So, we've come down a bit, and 15-year fixed mortgage 5.62. So if you look at those factors, they've come down, and you can see the graph here. Here's where the sevens were, and then they kind of came down overall historically. I was looking at 1990, but from 2000, we saw where they came down during the pandemic, and then they started to increase. And we really started to see these increases. I want to say, I recall it was in the third and fourth quarter of 2021 when things started to change. And now, so again, we're like 2 years into this. But again, it's still one of those things where, if interest rates continue to go down, then you see the demand go up. Great for sellers. If you see that the rates don't do anything else, and then buyers are kind of a little hesitant. But it is an opportunity if you think about it, because again, if you're a buyer, first-time buyer, and you wait for those rates to drop, then guess what? The prices of the homes continue to go up. So we shall see how this all plays out. But again, I'm a resource. I'm here to serve you and help you. I'm Al Espinor with Century 21 Select Real Estate. Wishing everybody a great beginning of the week and a great Labor Day weekend coming up. Okay, take care. Have a great day.